Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to turn your normal photo into different style using AI, and the best part is you just upload your image and it automatically generates result. First open the AI tool in your browser. Now you will see different options like Hairstyle Gallery, Neon Fantasy, Anime Styles and more. Let's start with Hairstyle Gallery. Now click on this upload image, select your photo from your device. As soon as the image upload, you can see the AI automatically generates different hairstyle variations. You do not need to write anything, no prompt, no editing, everything is automatic. And this is perfect if you want to try new hairstyle before actually getting a haircut. It's preview. Close. Click on the download button. Now let's try another style. Click on Neon Fantasy. Again, click on upload image and select your photo. Upload again. Now you see can the result, your image is converted into a glowing fantastic style. Next we have anime styles. Click on 1982 anime or anime keyframe. You can also try more style like storybook, cartoon, ID photo, comic strip, miniature, cosplay, chaotic meme. All you have to do is click on any style, upload your image, and the AI will automatically generate result. So basically this tool uses AI to understand your face and automatically applies different styles. That's why you do not need to write prompts. It does anything for you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment below which style you like the most. Thanks for watching.